my channel. It is Ashley here again. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. I'm doing really good today. I just lost what I was going to say, but I hope you guys are doing good. If you're new here, I am so excited to have you. Nice to meet you. Welcome to my channel. And if you are new, please don't forget to like and subscribe down below and hit the little bell notification so you get notified every time that I upload a video. So with all of that being said, let's get into this unboxing. We do have another unboxing surprise because all this channel is unboxings and a little bit of random things once in a while. But in today's video, we have my Lola's box. Lola Beauty Box is $21 a month, comes every single month. And I really like this box. It is all full-size items. So let's see what's in this month's Lola box. I always want to call it Lola's, but it's Lola box. Anyways, let me find my scissors. What did I do? I literally just had them. Oh, here they are. They're by my shoe. Okay, found my Christmas scissors. So, and I haven't seen any sneak peeks or anything for this box, so it'll be a surprise to both of us. Alright, so we open up the box, and it looks like this. We have the little card on top, and this month's theme, it got real dark in this room. The sun's going down. But it is called, this month's theme is Autumn is Golden. And here's the little card. It's very fall. It has a lot of different color leaves on it, so the card is really pretty. And then on the back it has all of the items and their prices, so we will read that as we go along. Alright, so the first thing I'm pulling out are some face masks. We have, both of them are Masquerade. This one is I Don't Want to Grow Up, and then we have Pre-Party Prep. This one, Lift Firm, Soften Fine Lines, and this one Brighten, Primes, and Energizes. So we have two face masks here. I have an abundance of face masks. I always forget about them, and then I just keep collecting them. So I have this little container on my makeup shelf that is just full of face masks. So I really need to start using them. So we have two of these, and these retail for, these are $10. And it says, you may be ready for a night of partying celebration, but is your face. Create a perfect canvas for a foundation with our pre-party prep hydrating sheet mask that'll brighten, prime, and energize. And then the other one is a hydrating sheet mask that helps lift, firm, and soften fine lines while nourishing your skin. So I will try to remember to use these and add them to my little, collection that I've got going on. So that is the first thing that we got in our Lola Beauty Box. The next thing I'm pulling out is this, and it is by Bang Beauty, and this is, what is this? It is a cheeky blush, or you could get it in Dolly Blush, and this is $20. It says this pressed powder blush delivers a soft, lightweight layer of sheer, silky color that glides on easily, blends effortlessly, and creates a radiant glow. The formula is richly pigmented and lasts for hours, all while being 100% cruelty-free. So we got some blush by Bang Beauty, and I'm not sure the shade that I got, so we'll get into it and see if it tells us on the actual product. I don't think that's how you open it. I figured it out. Okay, so here is the packaging. It is just a gray compact, and it says Bang Beauty on it. And this is in the shade Cheeky. So I did get mine in the shade Cheeky. And it is a very pretty blush. Here is the little blush shade. It does seem a little shimmery. It has some sparkle in it, which I usually don't use like sparkly blush. But here is the blush. And there's blush. So it is very dark. So for my ghostly skin, I'm going to have to use a very light hand with my blush brush. So there's the shade. It is very pretty. It is pretty shimmery. But if I smooth it out some, it gets lighter. So definitely a light hand for me anyways to use this blush. But I think it is a very pretty shade. So that is the second thing that we got. The next thing I am pulling out is this, and this is Lunatic Cosmetic Labs, and I don't know what it is. It is a lip silk crypt cream, and this retails for $12. It says Lunatic Cosmetic Labs Crypt Cream Lip Slick Doesn't Kiss and Tell. The highly pigmented liquid lipstick features a flirty coral hue that applies sexy and opaque. So we will get this out and see what shade I got. Okay, so if that's the shade, it's called Crypt Cream. And I don't know if that's the actual shade. It is like a pinky shade, but I really like the packaging. It's like spooky and Halloween, which is my like favorite time of year besides Christmas. I absolutely love Christmas. But anyways, here's the little packaging. It kind of matches my fingernails. So we will get this out. It is just a standard doe foot. And I really do like this shade. It is a pink color, and it seems to have like an orange undertone. But here's the color right here next to that blush. So actually those two work really well together. So there's the lipstick, and it does seem to be a matte finish. So I would definitely be using this on my lips. I'm not going to try it on because I do already have lipstick on. But I think it is super pretty. What is that? I never know what I'm doing with my hands. Like, they have like minds of their own. But anyways, I really do like this liquid lipstick. The next thing I'm pulling out is this compact, and it says Zhang Toy, established 1989, New York. I think that's how you pronounce it. Zhang Toy, T-O-I, I do believe. I don't know what this is. This is Amazing Cosmetic Zhang Toy, or Toy eyeshadow palette. This retails for $39. This eyeshadow quad is designed with 4 complementary shades and finishes to give you the multi-dimensional luxe look that screams runway ready glam. So this is $39 for this palette. And I have there we go. Oh, it does have a safety shield that fell out of me. Oh no, my battery's dying. Okay, we gotta hurry. So here are the shades. They are very pretty. They do not have names on them. I'm just going to put some on my finger. Here is the first one. It is a blue color. The second one is a deeper blue that is really pretty, especially those two together. The next one is a gold color. And the last one is a brown color. So let's see if I can swatch them for you guys. There's that one. These are terrible, horrible swatches. So there is the palette, very horribly swatched on my hand or on my arm, but they are super pretty. They're really soft, but there doesn't seem to have a lot of fallout either. So that's really good. And again, this is by Zhang Toy. I hope I'm saying that right. And then the last thing that we have is Hair Gurt. It is a hair mask soothing yogurt. I love yogurt. And this says, where is this? Wondering when your hair got a mind of its own. Try this creamy rich treatment with yogurt powder, prebiotics, our Bionicle oil blend, and biokeratin specifically formulated to help tame ruly, frizzy, and dry hair. That all describes my hair to a T. And this retails for $12. It says massage a small amount of hair gurt shampoo into wet hair, lather, and rinse. For best results, follow with the hair grit smoothing mask. Feel beautiful. So this is shampoo. I didn't know this. Is this shampoo? I guess this is shampoo. It says shampoo. It says shampoo. And this is in strawberry banana, which is actually my all-time favorite yogurt, which is crazy. So there is the packaging, and it is full size. And I just want to smell if it smells like the yogurt or not. It does have a safety seal on it. Oh my gosh, it smells just like strawberry banana yogurt. Like, I just want to eat it, but I won't because you're not supposed to eat shampoo. But I am super excited about this, and I don't think this is shampoo. It says shampoo, but shampoo, hair, rinse. Okay, it says shampoo, but it is really thick, so it looks more like a cream to me. But it says shampoo, so I would definitely try it on my unruly hair and see. Oh, it smells so good. It smells just like strawberry banana yogurt, which makes me really excited about this. So that is all that we have in our Lola beauty box. If you guys get this box, I would love to know all of your thoughts and opinions down below, and what you guys think of this box. If you guys got the same things, did you like it? Did you not like it? I keep looking over here because my battery light is like warning me that my camera's gonna die soon. So before my camera dies, again, I hope you guys are doing well. Please don't forget to like and subscribe down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!